What do you mean short?
It's too short.
That's one thing they don't call me, buddy.
Oh, yeah. Sure, I'm too short?
No,
What do they call you?
it's not safe for work. What do you mean?
Why didn't you have me starting from that?
Because I didn't think of that, okay?
That's right.
No, because when
You
I made
start from
those
You said
lengths.
no, you said start from the bottom.
Yeah, that's
See,
what
then
I
could've
did there.
just taken that piece you made right there, going right there. I'm just saying. Read the manual.
Okay. They don't have any of the in the manual. You know what they have for this? They have boat. Bend over and take it and figure it out yourself. Love that sound. Have I told you this blows?
How much do you think this thing weighs? A couple hundred maybe?
No. I think the ship weight was 400 pounds or something. Ain't no way, Jose.
I don't know where I am. Oh, it's gotta go your way.
Go my way, man. Or your way.
It was up on the ledge.
I'm like an inch and a half off.
My way?
You need to go your way.
No way.
Yeah, way.
All right.
This part.
Yeah.
Yeah, this. All right. Yeah, way.
What do you mean, no way?
Yeah, way.
Yeah.
Right there. Get it from here.
Okay. Hold up. We're not in on my side properly.
You want to cut?
Let's see. Let's do it like that way. See, it's a good thing you came out to film. Yeah, just put your side like this.
I can't see where I am. Here we go. There we go. There.
That's crazy.